Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to look at my Tiger, November 23 Juliet Kilo, as she sat on the ramp at Blue Ash in 2008. Now, this is 10 years after we painted and redid the panel and redid the interior, so you'll get to see what it looked like 10 years sitting on the ramp with a good plain cover canopy cover on it. You get the idea. Anyway, enjoy these pictures. We're going to have some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, as you can see at this time, the engine had only been replaced in the last year, and we had made the flight with the airplane. But the engine's still looking pretty good here. It's got less than 100 hours on it. The battery box is still looking pretty good. The paint's holding up. We had done the motor mount, the firewall, all the cables, everything with the engine. We have a video on that, and as you can see here, the fuel pump from Fletch Air, so marked, and all the lifetime hoses that we're using in blue nylon at the time. And then there are the Titan cylinders and everything. As you can see, a little bit of wearing on the baffle seals, but again, not a bad looking engine compartment. Again, this engine now has been done for just about 2 years and has been flown a little bit, less than 100 hours. So it's coming along. And then, of course, we had to get a new canopy cover from Plain Cover, but we did. The old one had completely come apart, and we sent it back to them, and they re-stitched it. And then eventually, about the third time we sent it to them after owning it for years, they just completely replaced it for us at a fee. And anyway, as you can see, we had some of the fuel drains in the sumps and the wings replaced. Here she is sitting on the ramp at Blue Ash. Canopy cover all tied down, and again the paint job being 10 years old. And then we'll move into the interior. This is an Airtex interior. We did both the seats and the side panels and the carpet all at the same time in 1998 when we were redoing the paint. We also had made a metal overlay for the panel, painted it gloss black. Should have been flat black, but you kind of get the idea. We have an HSI, an Apollo 360, a Horizon TAC, and some other instruments in there. But again, this is as November 23 Juliet Kilo, our Grumman Tiger, serial number 22, how she looked in 2008, 10 years after she'd had the interior and the paint all redone. So still holding her own. Now, we kind of kept the airplane in cargo mode most of the time because it was easy just to throw stuff in the back and put the seats down and get ready to go if you had to do things, because like in 1998, we flew a lot of cargo out to Cody, and a lot of times going to convention every year, Luann and I had quite a bit of cargo to take in terms of door prizes and other stuff. So I'll let you finish looking at these pictures of 23 Juliet Kilo. There's just a few more to go. We're going to be wrapping up the panel here for you. As you can see, we did take the yoke covers for bicycles and put them on there. The CF Airtronics up in Brookville had added a push-to-talk on the right-hand side. So it was coming along pretty good. Never did like that paper clip right there above the yoke where the plastic was broken. But anyway, here's what she looked like sitting on the ramp. And as you can see, the solar gray windshield still looking pretty good. The windows on the side don't have any crazing or any cloudiness to them, but they were the original greens. And then here, as you can see, the tail with the red rudder cap and the paint job again sitting for 10 years on the nice ramp. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative looking at what a paint job can be like. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.